Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video. If you want to set up Gboard in your iPhone or iPad, how you're going to do it, watch this video till the end and you will find out. So the first thing is you need to go to the settings on your iPhone or iPad. When you scroll a bit, you will find the general option. So guys, from there you need to tap on keyboards. In keyboards, you need to tap on the keyboards there, and here you will find 3 keyboards. So if I tap on add a new keyboard, and here I cannot find a Gboard here. So how I'm going to add a Gboard to my iPhone or iPad keyboard? So all you need to do is to go to the App Store. From here you need to download and install Gboard on your device. As you can see, it is installing right now. So we will wait for the installation first. So as you can see, Gboard has been installed on this device. So I will go back to the settings here, and I will cancel that one. If I tap on the general again, go to the keyboard and then tap on keyboards here, and now you can see Gboard has been added to the keyboard here. So if I tap on that one, all you need to do is to give the Gboard full access, and then you need to tap on allow. So now if I go back to any messaging application like here where you need to type message, so here right at the bottom, as you can see the globe icon, if you tap and hold on it, as you can see, the Gboard option will appear here. All you need to do is to tap on Gboard. Once you selected the Gboard, is now, as you can see, here is the logo as well. So now Gboard has been selected for this device. So guys, this is all it takes to set up Gboard on your iPhone or iPad. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.